to make your own style, because we have many good painters, and you must be original. You must be you.
Mam siłę w platy.
I also study math. I fly, I swim long distance.
This is me and my friend, 1972 in Luxembourg.
Everybody have 2 or 3 good friends.
Yeah.
So I have many friends, maybe 2, 3 good. This is like doctor surgery. They don't think about death, blood, and just work, just do this surgery and try to save a life. I experimenting every day, because this is the nice part of my profession. You can experiment, you can make mistakes, and then repair these mistakes and change. So far.